guys, we're playing Fun Monkey Horror. And this man is stupid. You're stupid.
Wait, can you guys hear me?
Yes. Yes.
And I just died.
And number one. What if I did number 2? What's my number?
Let's do number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. Go back. Guys, let's do Crossface number 2.
What about Sky Island?
Number 2.
Sky Island. We gotta go get people. Where'd they go? Everybody, do number 2. Number 2.
Let's do
Number 2.
Do number 2. Do number. Okay, number 2. Come on, guys. Do number 2.
Mama? No, this is like number 1. In the OG, this is like the number 1, Ra.
What's wrong, Scoobity Toilet?
Oh, Skibbity.
Guys, I found a pair. Yeah.
Guys,
Cyan monkey. We're both cyan. Blue and blue are both blue. So let's make twins.
oh my.
Come here, guys, blue, come on. Can they get up here?
I don't think so.
Yeah, they
oh,
can.
yeah, they can. Yeah, they can. Wait, what? No, they're coming. I don't think they can get across from there, though.
Yes,
They can. Go. run.
Little bro got caught lacking.
Bro, run. You're gonna get caught lacking. You're gonna get caught lacking.
I saw them. They're coming.
Oh, shoot. I almost died.
They're right there.
Bro, I almost died.
How did we make that?
How did I make that? Bro, we got caught lacking, nah. Where's that coming from? Are they on stairs? Oh, shoot! Guys, come on!
Jump scare. I don't know what is jump scare. Come on, guys. Let's go. Listen, Lauren.
Guys, why aren't you following me? No, he's coming. He's all the way over there. Run!
Frick it. Run behind us.
Every time I die, I spawn in the number 2 or number 3. Do. Come here, boys.
I got a heart attack.
Stupid.
Stupid.
I'm an OG, guys. Where is it going? They're upstairs.
Which one? Oh my God, both are
Bro,
down.
where did the green dude go? Where did green bean go?
FNAF Dawn, do not go.
Stupid.
First, you got lacking. How to move it? Where's FNAF in? You got lacking. Move it.
Caught lacking, boy. You too slow. You're too slow. You're a stoopy pants. You're a poopy pants.
Got lacking. Move it.
You're roasting caught lacking.
Right, he's
You're
right.
roasting. You got caught lacking.
Move it. Watch this, guys. Watch this. You'll hit my face. Watch.
Baby, Papa, Mama, Kaka, Tata, Mama. I think he likes targeting. He likes targeting.
Blue, get in here, guys. This is the safe zone.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! This way.
Guys,
This way.
someone stay over there.
Oh shoot!
We're lucky. Oh, Mula. Get Juke. Juke.
Oh!
Run.
Wait, watch.
Bro's so lost, he got
You're so like, you're so lost, but like, bro, like, you're so jukey. You're so jukeable, bro. I didn't even juke that good, bro. And I still juked you, bro. I didn't even juke that good. I still juked you, bro. I could have died, bro. You're so lost. Like, oh my god. Bro, you're so lost. So dumb. I juke you. Mama. Stupid ganya. Coco geek. Bitte Coco night. Oi, bitte. Bitte Coco night. Oi.
What the Sigma?
Where are your friends, little boy?
And everybody hates
Huh.
him.
What?
That's why he has no friends. Everybody hates him. He was trying to kill people.
Bro, I died with him in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom. He went in the bathroom with me. Oh, you're disgusting. I was using the bathroom. You disgusting. Oh, I was using the bathroom. You stupid.
Why, Foxy?
You're disgusting.
Get the hell out of here.
Okay, I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
Why is he going in the bathroom?
I'm using it. I'm in the bathroom. No! I was using the bathroom, you stupid. I was using the bathroom. You're weird. I was in the bathroom.
Yeah, literally.
He's a fox. He's a like locks.
It's a fox he's trying to do. He's trying to look at people's privates. That's what he's mad about. He's mad about you not letting him see your privates.
That's actually kind of crazy. I'm not letting you do that. You're stupid.
Yeah, that's why I'm targeting.
Okay, I go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Let me use the bathroom in peace, bro. Let me use the bathroom in peace. Let me use the bathroom in peace. Bro, I died but didn't get jump scared. I died but didn't get jump scared. What? Bro, let me go to the bathroom in peace. Bro, I can never get any privacy. Finally.
Not fair.
Get out of the bathroom! Stupid!
Scary Baboon update. I'm gonna go check out the Scary Baboon update.
I already checked it out.
Don't say anything about it, Caleb. If you do,
Baby.
Race is born.
Me la crick cross. Level basic. No, I'm scared of this level, bro. No, I'm scared of this level, bro. There's monsters that are way too scary. I think there's Freddy in here, bro. No, that's Bonnie. Oh, I think Foxy really wanted to. Guys, bye. That's over for Fun Monkey Horror. So, bye. My sister, boy.